67% of businesses experience at least one major IT outage every month. That's more than just a statistic. It's a signal that something's not working. Technology should help your team work faster. But if your network crawls, files disappear, or software doesn't sync well, you're losing time and money. Jason Stitt, co-founder of IT Force, puts it best. Addressing IT problems quickly and effectively is essential for keeping operations smooth and avoiding costly setbacks. Let's walk through the 6 IT problems that hold businesses back. 1. Slow networks. They drag down productivity and interrupt collaboration. You can fix this by upgrading infrastructure, testing bandwidth, and prioritizing business-critical traffic. 2. Cybersecurity threats. Malware and phishing attacks can hit hard. You need layered protection, regular updates, and employee training to stay safe. 3. Data loss. Whether it's accidental or malicious, data loss causes hours of disruption. Cloud backups and a solid recovery plan will keep your operations intact. 4. Software that doesn't work well together. Incompatible systems create bottlenecks. Standardizing platforms and retiring legacy tools clears the way. 5. Outdated hardware. Old machines crash more, cost more, and slow everyone down. A replacement schedule pays off in both speed and reliability. 6. A lack of IT support. When issues sit unresolved, productivity sinks. Having the right support, whether in-house or outsourced, makes a measurable difference. You can read the full article on our website to see how these issues develop and how to solve them. Add this to your playlist so you can come back to it.